Have you ever held a $100 bill or a £100 sterling note and wondered, how do they actually make this money? It's not just about printing paper. There's an incredible amount of science, art, and security involved. Let's dive inside the fascinating world of banknote factories to learn how these pieces of paper become valuable currency. The magic begins with special paper. Money isn't made from regular paper like books or newspapers. The paper used for US dollars is a mix of 75% cotton and 25% linen, while euros are made of 100% cotton fibers. This special paper feels different from regular paper because it's designed to last longer and resist wear and tear. What makes this paper unique are the security features embedded into it before printing even starts. The red and blue fibers in US bills and the silver security thread in euros make counterfeiting almost impossible. These features are baked into the material itself, which means they're an integral part of the paper and not something you can add afterward. The hidden secrets in the design. Each bill starts as a detailed design made by artists and security experts. For example, the Benjamin Franklin watermark on the $100 bill and the emerald number on the £100 sterling note aren't printed. They're part of the paper itself. Designers also incorporate patterns, portraits, and even holograms that appear to move or change color when you tilt the bill. These designs do more than make money look beautiful. They help ensure authenticity. Every tiny detail, from the patterns in the background to the intricate portraits, is carefully planned. In fact, the holographic stripe on euros and the 3D ribbon on dollars are so advanced that even counterfeiters with high-tech equipment struggle to replicate them. Engraving, the art of precision. Once the design is finalized, engravers use steel dies to carve the intricate details into metal. This step transforms the design from 2 dimensions into 3. For example, you can feel the raised print on a $100 bill, like Benjamin Franklin's portrait, thanks to this process. Engraving requires years of training and a steady hand, as even the smallest mistake can ruin the entire plate. The engraved dies are used to make master templates, which are later turned into softer printing plates. These plates can handle the high-speed demands of mass production without wearing out. Printing the foundation. The first step in printing money is offset printing, where the base colors and patterns are applied to the paper. For euros, this includes architectural designs representing European history. In the US, colors like blue and green give the $100 bill its signature look. This stage lays the groundwork for the final design, but the real magic happens later. Special inks are used, which are designed to be durable and fade-resistant. For instance, the color-shifting ink used on euros and dollars ensures that the bills retain their vibrant look even after years of circulation. Intaglio printing, adding the touch of real money. Next comes intaglio printing, a technique that adds texture to the bills. The ink is pressed into the paper with immense pressure, creating raised areas you can feel. On euros, you'll notice this on the large numeral 100 in Europa's portrait. On the $100 bill, this process is used for details like Franklin's coat and the borders of the bill. This process doesn't just make money feel unique, it also makes it harder to counterfeit. The raised printing is difficult to replicate using standard printers, giving people an easy way to check if their money is real. Additionally, the tactile features make banknotes accessible for visually impaired individuals. Serial numbers and tracking. Every single banknote is given a unique serial number, ensuring no 2 bills are identical. These numbers are printed with high-speed inkjet technology, which allows for incredible precision and speed. For US dollars, the serial numbers help track the bill's origin and circulation, while euros use them to trace the note's printing location. Serial numbers are more than just identifiers. They are also crucial for quality control. If an issue is detected during production, the serial numbers can pinpoint the exact batch, making it easier to isolate and correct the problem. This ensures that only flawless bills make it into circulation. The numbering system is also part of a broader effort to maintain transparency and security. Authorities can use these numbers to track stolen or counterfeit bills, aiding in law enforcement efforts. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that every bill in circulation is authentic and accounted for. Cutting and inspecting every note. After printing, the large sheets of money are inspected for quality. High-tech cameras and sensors scan for any defects, while trained experts visually examine the sheets to catch errors the machines might miss. Only the highest quality sheets proceed to the next stage. The cutting process involves laser-guided machines that slice the sheets into individual notes. These machines are incredibly precise, ensuring that every bill is cut to the same size. This precision is essential, as even slight variations could cause issues when the bills are used in ATMs or cash registers. Once the notes are cut, they undergo another round of inspection. Automated systems check for alignment, color consistency, and other details, while human inspectors look for imperfections. This meticulous process ensures that every bill meets the highest standards of quality and security before it enters circulation. Packing for the journey. Once the notes are ready, they are stacked into bundles of 100 bills. Each bundle is carefully wrapped in plastic to protect it from moisture and damage during transport. These bundles are then packed into secure boxes, labeled with information such as the denomination and quantity, and prepared for shipment. The packaging process is as secure as the printing itself. Surveillance cameras monitor every step, and only authorized personnel have access to the area. The boxes are designed to withstand rough handling, ensuring that the money arrives at its destination in perfect condition. From the factory, the packaged bills are sent to central banks like the Federal Reserve or the European Central Bank. These institutions distribute the money to commercial banks, ATMs, and businesses, where it eventually makes its way into your hands. The entire journey is carefully monitored to ensure the safety and integrity of the currency. What makes money so hard to copy? Creating counterfeit money is nearly impossible because of the advanced features built into real banknotes. Each element, from watermarks and holograms to raised print and microtext, is designed to deter counterfeiters. The combination of these features creates a level of complexity that is extremely difficult to replicate. Counterfeiters may attempt to mimic one or two features, but duplicating all of them is virtually impossible. Even if they manage to copy the look of a bill, they can't replicate its feel, durability, or security features like color-shifting ink in UV-responsive threads. These features make real money easily distinguishable from fake notes, ensuring the trust and stability of the currency. Where does the money go? Once the money is packed and shipped, it is delivered to central banks. From there, it is distributed to commercial banks, ATMs, and businesses, where it eventually reaches consumers. The journey is tightly controlled to prevent theft and ensure that every bill is accounted for. The central banks play a crucial role in managing the flow of money. They ensure that the right amount of currency is in circulation to meet the economy's needs. By the time a bill reaches you, it has undergone rigorous checks to guarantee its authenticity and quality, making it a reliable tool for trade and commerce. Why does it matter? Understanding how money is made gives us a deeper appreciation for the effort and precision involved in its creation. From the unique paper and intricate designs to the advanced printing techniques and security features. Every step is carefully designed to make money durable, secure, and trustworthy. Next time you hold a $100 bill or a £100 sterling note, take a closer look. Each detail tells a story of innovation and craftsmanship, reflecting the value and importance of money in our daily lives. Knowing how it's made helps us understand its worth beyond just the numbers printed on it. If you enjoyed learning about how money is made, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Who knows? Next time we might take you inside a mint to see how coins are made.